Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today we're exploring the future of farming with our picks for the best agricultural spraying drones. These advanced drones are revolutionizing agriculture by offering efficient crop spraying, precise pesticide application, and reduced labor costs, all while saving time and resources. Whether you're managing a small farm or a large-scale operation, these drones provide smart features like GPS mapping, automated flight paths, and high-capacity tanks to make your farming tasks easier and more productive. In this video, we'll break down the top agricultural spraying drones based on performance, capacity, flight time, technology, and overall value. You'll find links to all the featured drones in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started and find the perfect spraying drone for your farm. Number 5. XAG V40. The XAG V40 agricultural spraying drone represents a leap forward in agricultural technology, featuring a revolutionary tilting twin-rotor structure for enhanced performance and energy efficiency. With its Super X4 intelligent control system, the V40 offers precise and fully autonomous flight, supported by RTK centimeter-level positioning for accurate navigation. Equipped with multi-directional radars and stable downdraft capabilities, it ensures accurate perception and obstacle avoidance, crucial for safe operation in complex environments. The V40's modular design allows for seamless switching between spraying, broadcasting, and mapping functions, catering to diverse agricultural needs. Its compact size and advanced features, including HD resolution imaging and variable rate application, make it a powerful tool for modern farming practices. With its intelligent battery management system and IP65 protection, the V40 is designed to withstand harsh conditions and operate efficiently for extended periods. Overall, the XAG V40 agricultural spraying drone represents a significant advancement in precision agriculture, offering farmers a smart and reliable solution for crop protection and management. Number 4. Airborne Agro. The Airborne Agro agriculture crop spraying drone revolutionizes precision agriculture for vineyards, offering a sustainable solution to pesticide spraying with its advanced technology and innovative design. With a capacity of 60 liters and 50 times faster than manual spraying, it outperforms traditional methods while being twice as cost-effective as helicopters. The drone's precision prevents powdery mildew formation on wine grapes, leading to better fungicide prevention results and reduced pesticide usage, ultimately resulting in more natural yields. Equipped with a downward-facing radar for precise height control and IP67 protection, it ensures accurate spraying in harsh environments while enhancing worker safety and reducing noise pollution. Powered by electricity, the Airborne Agro is environmentally friendly and backed by extensive testing, making it the ideal choice for modern vineyards seeking increased productivity and efficiency in crop protection. Number 3. DJI Agras T30. The DJI Agras T30 is a revolutionary agricultural drone designed to elevate aerial spraying efficiency with its 30-liter spraying tank and advanced features. Equipped with branch targeting technology and adjustable arms, it penetrates thick canopies with oblique spraying, ensuring even pesticide application and doubling droplet numbers. Its 16 spray nozzles provide extensive coverage with strong penetration and drift prevention. With a spray width of 9 meters, it boasts a field spraying efficiency of 40 acres per hour, 33.3% more than its predecessor. The spherical radar system enables obstacle perception in all environments, while dual FPV cameras enhance monitoring capabilities. Built for durability, it features IP67 water and dust resistance, making it ideal for long-term use. The intelligent route mode and smart tank refill alert optimize operational efficiency, while the 2 batteries and charger ensure continuous operation. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, the DJI Agras T30 sets a new standard for digital agriculture. Number 2. Hercules EA30X. The EA Vision Hercules EA30X agricultural spraying drone is a cutting-edge solution designed for precision agriculture in challenging terrains. Equipped with binocular environment sensing technology, it ensures safe and dynamic obstacle avoidance and full terrain coverage below 90 degrees. Even in low-light conditions with its night navigation lighting system, featuring CCMS double-peak mist spray nozzles, it delivers precise spraying with adjustable atomized particles, penetrating thick canopy crops effectively. With its advanced flight control system, including high-sensitivity LiDAR and millimeter-wave radar, it achieves centimeter-level accuracy and fast response times for obstacle avoidance. The drone's comprehensive spraying capabilities are complemented by its intelligent path planning and fixed-point precise spraying functions, enhancing operational efficiency and accuracy. With features like IP67 waterproofing and fast-charging batteries, the Hercules EA30X is a reliable and efficient tool for modern agriculture, ensuring optimal crop protection and yield improvement. Number 1. XAG P100 Pro. The XAG P100 Pro agricultural drone is engineered to elevate agricultural practices with its robust design and enhanced capabilities. Featuring a foldable quadcopter design and upgraded power system, this drone boasts a remarkable payload capacity of up to 50 kilograms. Equipped with the innovative XAG RevoSpray and RevoCast systems, it delivers unparalleled efficiency in crop protection and spreading tasks. With a maximum flow rate of 22 liters per minute and a granular spread rate of 150 kilograms per minute, the P100 Pro ensures thorough coverage and precise application, even in challenging environments. Its advanced 4D imaging radar system enhances safety by detecting obstacles with increased sensitivity and responsiveness. Additionally, the drone's smart power system enables rapid charging and continuous operation, making it ideal for intensive agricultural operations. With intelligent route planning and swarm control features accessible via the XAG One app, the P100 Pro offers unparalleled autonomy and efficiency in agricultural tasks. Designed for reliability and performance, the XAG P100 Pro agricultural drone sets a new standard for precision farming. So that's it for the best agricultural drones of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.